ninja can stop a ninja.
This is no job for the police. It's something I'll have to do. Only a ninja can stop a ninja.
Well, only a Tanto can unbox a Tanto. Ironic, huh? All right. Check it out, sword friends, geeks and gamers alike, martial art enthusiasts, ninja assassins, and samurai warriors from around the world. Here is a Shirasaya, a white wood, beautiful Tanto in a plain saya here. Beautiful. Covered with grease for shipping, as is typical. Here she is. This is a handmade beautiful blade. Let's go into some serious detail on this thing, which I happen to enjoy collecting. Alright, join me. Okay, I ordered this Tanto from a forge or a nickname called Hero Swords. Hero Swords you can find on eBay. If you go to eBay, just type in Hero Swords or find their channel on there or their shop, and you can find swords such as this in the Shirasaya or regular swords. These are of a medium quality. They're not really low quality, and they're certainly not fine, but not bad for the money. This was about, I don't know, $130, $150, somewhere in that. So Shiro means white, or Shira white saya here is just a plain hand-carved piece of wood around the blade. This is basically storage. So if I open this up here, you're paying, in this case, for the blade itself. And this is a handcrafted, forged Tanto blade from China, and it is very, very sharp. It's a shinken. Shinken means sword that is alive, has a heart to it, so this is a shinken sword here. It's clay tempered 1095 high carbon steel. Obviously you can see there is no wrapping here. This handle is double pegged. Often these are single peg, but this one is double, which is good, which means the tang is probably quite long. I have not taken this apart, and I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it stored the way that it is. The reason they store these blades is just to keep them from rusting. So this special type of wood keeps the blade very dry and keeps humidity out. If you're going to store a very expensive blade, it's good to have someone make a Shirasaya for it. The Kisaki shape here, I don't know if you can see that here. This is kind of an ikari shape, like an anchor shape. This is a medium Chu Kisaki, but it's almost as big as an O Kisaki. It's quite a long tip here. This is probably a Chu size, middle size, but it's on the edge of long, which I really think is interesting. Supposedly the HRC is about 60 here. It's very, very sharp, this blade. Extremely sharp. Definitely not for kids. The koshi sori, or the curve, appears to be near the hilt here, and it's slightly pronounced right here. Again, you could take these off if you wanted to, but I don't want to risk ruining these little pegs here, because what's the point? The hamon, the cloud line here, the yakiba line. So this is a Midadi style. Midadi means kind of disarranged. So this particular pattern is very wavy and disarranged here, kind of chaotic looking. Very interesting. Common. Has a bohi. The bohi is the fuller here, which goes pretty much the full length. and this is on either side of the blade. This removes some of the metal from the blade and it makes it very lightweight. The habaki, the collar here, looks to be brass. That's my guess. I'm not positive on that, but it's pretty good quality here. It's not scratched up at all. It's quite new. Really fits the blade tightly here as far as specs. It fits very well. The overall length of the entire tanto is 50 centimeters, which is about just under 20 inches. The blade length, which is from here to the kasaki tip, the nagasa, is 30 centimeters or 11.8 inches. That's pretty standard for a tanto. Just about under a foot is classified as a tanto. The handle here is 16 centimeters, which is about 6.3 inches here to here. And again, if you added like a kashira and stuff and the ito, the wrap, it would probably be a bit bigger. But it's certainly plenty big to hold in your hand here or with a reverse grip. Plenty of purchase there for your hand. The blade width near the habaki here is 3.2 centimeters, which is about 1.26 inches, so that's average thickness there. The thickness of the blade itself is 0.7 centimeters, so it's good. No wrapping, no kurigata on the saya, nothing here to hold. This is some sageo wrapping, but none of these koshirai, these fittings are on this particular tanto. No tsuba guard, just plain for storage, or you could build your own custom furniture for this. You can buy one of these online, again, roughly, well, $130 to $160, somewhere in there. And they have higher quality blades, longer blades, wakizashi, tanto, katana, all different blade lengths here, but this is a nice looking blade. So there you have it, a Shirasaya storage blade. Do what you will with it. Certainly could use it for self-defense. It's good quality, not great quality, above average, much more than you're going to find at a local flea market or gun store or something like that typically. These could be legal or illegal in your country, I'm not sure. You'd have to check with your local laws. But it's just another blade that I'm going to add to my collection. Sadly, this will not be a dojo giveaway. You don't want to get greedy with those. One a month, I think, is more than 99% of other channels, but we're going to give away a book in April. Something different, a really nice quality book for people who want to win something through our dojo channel. For now, everybody, thanks for watching this short video on this blade. We'll have more. I have a couple more coming from the other side of the world. They'll be in this week and next week, and I will continue to do these little mini unboxings for those who are just blade aficionados or martial artists who just like to watch something a bit different than all the physical stuff. Good classes here lately at the dojo. Black belt class was great last night. We worked on 3 different kata from the Shinden Furoryu, which is a powerful school called the Immovable Heart School. And we talked about weapons and things like that and how we have to apply weaponry to the 21st century and adapt it with firearms and things that we're going to find readily available in our environment, but to respect these old weapons, treat them kindly, but also use them as tools when we need to. And this spring, we're going to do a lot more weapons. Tonight is Tuesday, so we have hanbo tonight, which is the 3-foot short stick that we use, which could represent a cane or an umbrella or a billion sticks in your backyard. And we're going to defend with that. And then our basics Tuesday Tenchi Jin class, which is every Tuesday at 6 to 7, a full hour. We work on the classical chart studies. Tonight we're working on, let's see, the last 3 weeks we've been doing Musha Dori or Gosha Dori, catching the warrior in different ways, applying it on the ground in a mount way, applying it from hook punches, from straight punches, from grabs, grapples, kumi uchi. We spend 1 to 3 hours on each line of the Tenchi Jin chart, and then next week we'll melt from Musha Dori into Onikudaki, or breaking the devil, and we'll work on that for several classes. Always learning new things. No matter how many decades you've been doing martial arts, you can never know enough. And this is just a fun little side thing that we do on top of everything else. We will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and do all that so you get these free videos, 1 or 2 per week, to your local YouTube channel. We will see you guys tonight, or if not, hopefully at a seminar in 2021. We're hoping these masks come off very soon. Everyone's getting vaccinated, and we'll get back to normal, and the dojos around the world will reopen again. Thank goodness we're happy that we never shut down for more than 3-4 weeks. We are very fortunate. Talked to Mr. Hayes, and he told me that 60% of schools closed. And I don't know how accurate that statistic is, but it's frightening nevertheless. We are fortunate here. Hopefully, many of your schools around where you live will reopen very soon. Make sure you support your local dojo or gym. And this is Todd Norcross on behalf of the Dojo Martial Arts. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.